Ever wonder who maintains those communications towers you see along the roadway? That's MnDOT's Office of Electronic Communications. The office operates and maintains towers for the Allied Radio Matrix for Emergency Response, known as ARMOR. Minnesota's shared public safety radio communications system provides communications for state and local governments throughout the state. The system's backbone is a network of radio towers, equipment shelters, and radio transmission equipment. The ARMOR system is used by MnDOT, the State Patrol, the Department of Natural Resources, the National Guard, and other state agencies for voice and data communications. The backbone is shared with local governments and other emergency response organizations so that all emergency responders can effectively communicate with each other.
Here in our Water's Edge office, we have the Radio Operations Center, and they're tasked 24/7 to monitor the system, monitor a tower, see what's going on. When an issue arises that they've located, they'll get a hold of the shop, the local radio shop, and then from there, they'll work on assessing the issue. And if we need to involve the climbers, our tower technicians, to climb the tower and visualize, see what's going on, then those guys will get deployed out there to head out to the tower site and assess the issue working with our Radio Operations Center here and the local radio shop.
Louis Canelon Lander, Brady Dodge, and John Kennedy make up the maintenance team that inspects and maintains more than 350 towers and the equipment on them.
Louis and Brady and John are located in the central Minnesota, the St. Cloud region there. So when they get deployed out to our sites, it's not always the best weather for them. They do have to deal with snow and ice and the wind and the low temperature. A lot of our sites are 330 feet in height, and they do have to climb those sites and climb around that steel when it's real cold. So we do give them a lot of credit for that. Definitely not a job that a lot of us would want to do daily.
The tower maintenance crew works with radio techs to maintain a variety of equipment on the towers around the state.
Every region have a group of radio technicians that take care of the stuff in the building or in the ground, that take care of all the radio equipment. Like I said, we only take care of the tower part, everything that comes from the building up, and they take care of everything in the building. And when we go to the tower, we always make sure one of them is on site with us, just in case of an emergency or to test stuff, make sure that everything works.
Before the tower technicians climb the tower, they put on a harness and other safety gear to make sure they are safe at all times. The electronic communications team works together to ensure that communication to the snowplow drivers, state patrol officers, and emergency operations centers are working correctly.
It's a large team effort, and we do very well at taking care of the issue in a timely manner.